The Akash Network has been making remarkable strides in recent weeks, positioning itself as a significant force in the world of decentralized cloud computing and AI infrastructure. Akash is honestly one of my best projects. I love them so much, and I really admire what the team is up to. Recently, its involvement in Korea Blockchain Week 2024 was a key highlight where Akash's active engagement with the blockchain and tech community demonstrated its growing influence. I believe Akash was actually a sponsor as well for KBW. With a booth at the main venue, 10 speaking engagements, and participation in over 20 events, Akash put a spotlight on the potential of its supercloud, an innovative, decentralized, and permissionless cloud infrastructure. Akash's supercloud presents a unique and compelling alternative to centralized cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. A defining feature of Akash is its extremely competitive pricing model, particularly in offering high-performance GPUs that are crucial for developers working in the AI, machine learning, and rendering spaces. Akash's access to cutting-edge NVIDIA GPUs at remarkably low rates has made it particularly attractive to developers needing high computational power, but with a cost burden. For example, Akash offers the NVIDIA H100 GPU at 1.45 per hour, the A100 at 0.77 per hour, and the A6000 at 0.40 per hour. These rates significantly undercut the pricing models of traditional cloud providers, allowing Akash to position itself as the most cost-effective solution for high-performance workloads. It therefore goes as no surprise that this has helped the network attract a growing number of users, with 64 active providers now offering decentralized compute power. And these numbers are as of sometime in August. But, Akash's appeal doesn't stop at competitive pricing. Its decentralized, permissionless model is breaking down barriers to innovation, allowing developers to deploy applications without fear of censorship or interference. This model stands in stark contrast to the gatekeeping policies of centralized services, which often restrict access or impose stringent regulations on their users. The open infrastructure that Akash offers has become a critical infrastructure for developers who are seeking more flexible and accessible alternatives to traditional cloud platforms. Furthermore, Akash's supercloud has maintained an impressive track record of zero downtime over the last 4 years, further boosting its credibility and competitive standing. Now, partnerships have also played a pivotal role in Akash's rapid growth, particularly in the AI space. Collaborations with key companies such as Brev.dev, recently acquired by NVIDIA, by the way, Prime Intellect, and Ask Venice have accelerated the adoption of Akash's decentralized infrastructure for AI-driven projects. These collaborations have been instrumental in boosting demand for GPUs on Akash's platform, strengthening its presence as a key player in decentralized AI infra. Now, let's talk about Akash's standout performance in Q2 2024, where the network saw an 8% increase in revenue, driven largely by AI-related projects. Additionally, active leases on the network increased by 11%, reflecting growing user confidence in Akash's platform. Now, in terms of technical advancements, Akash Network has continued to innovate at an impressive pace. Even while the sentiment in the market right now is honestly crap, Akash just keeps shipping. One notable development was the launch of its chat API, which runs on the Llama 3.1 AI model. This API has already processed more than 20 million tokens, giving developers permissionless access to powerful AI tools. Now, the Chat API offers a game-changing alternative to centralized AI platforms by allowing developers to deploy AI infrastructure on Akash's decentralized infrastructure seamlessly and without restrictions. Akash's hardware capacity is also expanding rapidly. As of mid-2024, the network boasts an impressive 6,500 CPUs, 168 GPUs, and over 15 terabytes of memory available through its various providers. Now, this growing capacity has attracted a wide range of real-world use cases that demonstrate the platform's versatility and ability to support high-performance workloads. For instance, TX Art Block, which is an innovative project in the 3D rendering space, has used Akash's GPUs to render complex graphics and animations, showcasing the network's potential in creative industries. Similarly, Stability AI, which is a leading player in the generative AI space, has deployed its SDXL text-to-image model on Akash's A100 GPUs, further validating the platform's capacity to handle demanding AI workloads at a fraction of the cost of traditional providers. And by the way, the momentum has been reflected in Akash's financial performance, with the network reaching an all-time high of $5,000 in daily network spend in August 2024. Geographical expansion has also been a focus for Akash. As part of its broader strategy, the network has added new providers in key regions, including Brazil, Indonesia, and Japan. Now, these markets are vital to Akash's growth strategy, as they represent areas where centralized cloud services are either prohibitively expensive or face regulatory challenges. By expanding its provider base in these regions, Akash is not only increasing its global footprint, but also positioning itself as the go-to solution for markets underserved by traditional cloud providers. Now, for what's to come, Akash has also secured a leadership role at Cosmoverse 2024 in Dubai, where it will lead the AI track and explore the convergence of AI and other blockchain technologies. As Akash continues to set new records, expand its reach, and drive innovation through key partnerships and technological advancements, it is clear that the network is well on its way to becoming a leader in the future of decentralized cloud computing and AI infrastructure. I am so bullish on Akash. I'm not gonna lie, I hold a lot of Akash tokens too, because I believe that its role in decentralized cloud computing and the AI space in general will only become more relevant and more pivotal, driving the industry towards a future where cloud infrastructure is democratized, permissionless, and more accessible to all. That is all for today. Bye.